Amazing looks interesting. We are going to learn vegetables.
Well, that has a plan for today. Let's go over there. That is awesome! That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you. Did you see that?
Amazing looks interesting.
Okay, let's do this. So who is going first?
I will show you how. Let's go. Let's go over there. This is tomato. Perfect.
Here we go. This is bell pepper. Yahoo! Hey, let's go. Do you know what vegetable this is? That sounds good to me.
This is an eggplant.
Cucumber. Carrot.
Turnip.
Pumpkin.
Ridge ground. Potato. There are so many colorful vegetables.
Yummy! So tasty and healthy. That was wonderful. Thank you.
See you guys next with new exciting things.
Bye!